Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to share Facebook page post with images to LinkedIn company page. So I'm managing a real estate agency and I'm promoting it with the help of Facebook page. So I'm running a community for my real estate agency on my Facebook page and I'm sharing different posts related to the real estate agency on my Facebook page on regular basis. Now my objective is to share the same post on LinkedIn company page as well. So how I'm going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Facebook page and LinkedIn company page, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can share Facebook page posts with images to LinkedIn company page. So here I manage a real estate agency with the name as Prime Properties that specializes in both residential and commercial properties. We regularly post high quality images of new property listings, opening of new house announcements, market updates and client testimonials on our Facebook page along with the new offers which we are providing to the customers for bookings. Now to engage my potential buyers and sellers, I regularly post images along with the captions on my Facebook page. But I also want to ensure that our professional network on LinkedIn, including real estate investors, developers and corporate clients, also sees this valuable content which I am sharing on my Facebook post. They might be not connected on my Facebook community on my Facebook post. So how am I going to automatically share the images which I am sharing on my Facebook page towards LinkedIn page as well? So for that I will have to set up a connection between Facebook page and LinkedIn company page, and that I am going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and programming skills by connecting our work applications. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, we are going to set up a connection between Facebook page and LinkedIn company page. Let's get started quickly. Currently, we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. Once you will reach here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, you just have to click on sign in to log into your account. But in case if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. With this, you will be able to create your free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, once you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on this dashboard, you will find all your workflows which you have created, and you can also create different folders to save your workflow separately and accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. Here a dialog box has appeared in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Share Facebook page post with images to LinkedIn company page. After giving this name, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So you can see I have a list of folders for different purposes. I'm going to select social media automations as my folder to save this workflow. I'm going to click on create, and as we will do that, we can see a new screen is open in front of us which contains two extremely important windows. First is the trigger over here and the second is action. Now what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here my objective is that whenever I'm going to post an image along with a caption on my Facebook page with the name as Prime Properties, then that same post should automatically be shared on my LinkedIn company page as well. In order to automate this process, I will have to connect these applications where I'm going to take Facebook page in trigger and LinkedIn company page in my action step. So when we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we can clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when the post is created on Facebook page, then only it will be shared on LinkedIn company page as well, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the workflow step by step. To start this automation, first of all, we have to go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. Now our trigger application over here will be Facebook pages. Let's select that. Then we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have two options over here, new post or new comment. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that event over here. Because our objective is that whenever a new post will be created on our Facebook page, then we want to capture the response. So new post will be our trigger event over here. Now we have to set up the connection between Facebook page and Pabbly Connect. For that, I'm already logged in towards my Facebook page, as you can see. So here we are going to click on this connect button. And to build this connection, we have two options, add new connection or select existing connection. You have to keep in mind that you are already logged into your Facebook page before building this connection, because it is going to make the connection easier. Now, to build this new connection, I'm going to go towards add new connection button and I will click on connect with Facebook pages. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now, as we have done that, now we have to select our account. So we'll click on continue. And the authorization has become successful and the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is made successfully. Now here we have to select the Facebook page on which we want to create the post every time. So whenever the post will be created, on which page you want to capture the response. Here the name of my page is Prime Properties. First of all, I'm going to click on switch to switch this page as profile. After doing this, here this is the name of my page, Prime Properties, which is already selected. So in the similar manner, you need to select the page from the drop down on which you want to create your post and want to capture the response. Okay. Now as we have done that, here we have to turn the simple response button on, because when we are going to create a post on our Facebook page, we want to capture the response in simple terms only. Then we will click on save and send test request button to capture the response over here. And how we are going to do that? For that, we have to do a test submission. And how we are going to do that test submission? Just by creating a page post on our Facebook page which we have connected. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page. Over here we have already switched the profile. So now I'm going to create a post over here along with an image. Okay, so I'm going to give a caption over here first of all. So over here I have entered my content, special offers available, contact us today to find out more. Call us at this number or visit the website given over here to book a viewing. This will be the content of my post. Along with this, I'm going to add the image as well. And done. Okay, so this is my image and this is my content. Now I'm going to click on post. And over here the post is created, as you can see. Here we have the content and the image. As we have done that, now we'll move back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for a few seconds for the response to be captured. And the response is received. So in this response, we have received all the details. Okay, so here we have the success ID, that is 1. Here we have the from ID, that means from which page the post is received. Here we have the name of the page, Prime Properties. Then we have the link of the image, that means the link of the post. Along with this, we have received the message or the content which we have posted. This is the post ID. Here is the created time and date in the timestamp format and all other details. So because we have received this response, that means our connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Now whenever a new post will be created on our Facebook page, automatically that same post along with all the details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well. Now once we have set up this connection, our objective is to share this post from Facebook page towards LinkedIn company page as well. So this is my LinkedIn company page. Here I want to post that same image. Here I want to share it. So I will have to set up the connection between this page and Pabbly Connect. For that, we have to move towards our action step and we have to select our action application as LinkedIn. Let's select that quickly. Then we have to go for selecting action event. So over here, our action event will be create company text post with image. Okay, we'll click on connect to build the connection. And now we have two options once again. So I'm going to go with add new connection. You can see I'm already logged into my LinkedIn company page. And now I will simply click on connect with LinkedIn to build this connection. As we've done that, here these are my login credentials. I've clicked on continue and the authorization has become successful very easily. In this way, LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect is absolutely connected. Now we'll move forward. Here we have to enter the person ID and the LinkedIn company page ID. Both the details are already selected over here. Then we have to move forward towards entering some other details, the content title, the content, the thumbnail, content source URL and all other details. One by one, let's start entering these details. First of all, it is asking us the content title. You have to enter a specific title which will be shared along with the post. So we have a different content field in which we are going to enter the content which we have shared on the Facebook page. But over here we have extra field, that is content title. So I'm going to keep it same for each and every post. So I'm going to enter new post out. and because I have entered this content title manually by typing, so it has become static and it is not going to change with each and every new response. It will be same with each post. Okay, now we'll move forward, and here we have to enter the content, what content you want to share along with the post. I want to share the same content on my company page as well, which I have shared on my Facebook page. So I will use the same response which we have received through Facebook page post. Okay, this is my earlier response, and over here we have the content which we want to share. So we will simply map this content. Mapping is inserting data from previous step as we have done. So when we have mapped this data, it has become static. That means with each and every new response, it is automatically going to replace. Now whenever a new post will be created on our Facebook page and the response will be captured, automatically the content which we have received through that page, through that new post, will be mapped over here in the place of this content. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. So in the similar manner, whatever data we want to be replaced with each and every new response, we have to map that in the workflow. So we'll move forward. Now it is asking us the thumbnail. That means a thumbnail picture of your post. So we will simply map the link of the Facebook post which we have received. I've mapped that, and in the content source URL as well, I'm going to map the same. Okay. Then here we have the visibility. I have selected it as public. Feed distribution will be main feed, and over here we have life cycle state, that will be published. Then we'll simply click on save and send test request button. And over here we have received the response. So I'm going to take you towards LinkedIn company page to check whether the post is created or not. So here we are on the page post section of LinkedIn company, and over here we have a new post with the same caption which we have entered while creating the post on Facebook page, and over here we have the same title of the post, and along with it we have the thumbnail as well. So when I'm going to click on this post, it is going to take me towards the full post. Okay, so this means that our connection between Facebook page and LinkedIn company is absolutely successful. Now whenever a new post will be created on our Facebook page along with the image, also it will be shared automatically on LinkedIn company page. So here, after building this connection successfully, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back towards Facebook page, and over here I'm going to create a new post. So I will go towards post section, and over here I'm going to enter the caption. Over here I've attached the image, and this will be the caption. I'm going to click on post quickly, and over here the post is uploaded on my Facebook page. As we have done that, let's go towards LinkedIn company page as well. And we can see that yes, the post is created. This is the caption we have, and I'm going to click on this post button. This is the same image which we have shared on our Facebook page. So this means that our connection between Facebook pages and LinkedIn company page is absolutely successful, and our workflow is also running fine. So in the similar manner, you can very easily create this amazing automation to share text along with the images on your LinkedIn company page from whichever application you want. Here I've just taken the example of Facebook pages, but you can take any other social media application as well. So I hope this amazing automation is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends, and also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.